Welcome to Sizzletastic fucking TV. Today, you're with the devil, and I'm opening a new Galaxy S9 Plus. Or if you turn it around, it looks like a fucking 6. It's a 666 fucking plus. And you know what the devil wants you to do with your fucking new phones? I mean, I'm not going to do this with my phone, kids, but just for you. You know I want you to do? Remember how I told you how to get that mega fucking yeast infection, motherfuckers? You know what I want you to do is I want you to unbox your phone and smear it with monostat and put it up your butts, and that will cure your mega yeast infection. Ha ha ha. Or better yet, I want you to get to the fucking highest building in your fucking little shithole city and just drop your phone off there. Just drop it off into fucking hell. So it fucking breaks and it cracks and you get a new fucking phone and then the fucking screen cracks. Because we all know that fucking sucks. Alright, bitches, we're gonna be unlocking and unboxing this goddamn 666. Lily is not here right now. She is possessed by the devil. This is your literature. So all you motherfuckers that are halfway to the grave and old and stupid, you read your fucking literature. And this right here is your little anal tickler key. You just take this out, and you kind of just tickle your butt with it. Yeah, and then you smell it, and then you make other fucking people smell it too, because it fucking smells awesome. Alright, you got your fucking key. You got your fucking literature. Because if you're too fucking stupid to use a fucking 666 fucking plus, then you just shouldn't even be able to fucking use it. I mean, let's get started. I mean, what the fuck is this? It's a goddamn fucking astronaut. You think you're gonna go into space with this motherfucker? Yeah, throw it off the fucking moon. Throw it off the moon to fucking hell. That'll be a better fucking idea, and then you'll fucking really crack your phone. And more terms and conditions. Who the fuck cares? Samsung's owned by the devil anyways. All corporate companies are owned by me. I own them all, motherfuckers, from Apple to Samsung to Starbucks. This is your fucking phone. Welcome. Remove the plastic from your phone. That keeps it safe like a little phone condom. Our phone is on. Our phone came turned on because they wanted to drain the battery life so we could get tormented even further. Ha ha ha. So our phone came in the box turned on. And it came set up. Who the fuck did this? Someone fucking already turned it on and set it up. Motherfuckers. Anyway, that's the fucking phone. And inside the phone here, you got a fucking charger. You got this little fucking thing. Connect a fucking cord to this and plug it into something and plug it up your ass. It'll be good to plug up your ass, and you can plug this thing up your ass, so you can kind of put them together like fucking little Legos like this. You can get a fucking double plug fucking ass action. Just, yeah, oh yeah, the devil wants you to do it. I want you to do it, kids. Sell your soul and plug this Samsung plug motherfucker up your ass. Alright, I think this, you got fucking earbuds. Yeah. You know what these are good for? For listening to Mariah Carey. You open them up. You open them up with your demonic power. And you plug them into your fucking phone jack like this. And you get your fucking Spotify and you listen to fucking Mariah Carey, because that, kids, is the music of the fucking devil. I fucking love that shit. I fucking love that fucking Sweet Dreams, whatever the fuck Mariah Carey fucking sings about. She always makes you fucking feel like you're frolicking on fucking butterflies. Fuck butterflies, motherfuckers. And this is your cord. You know what you do with this?
No.
You go to hell with it. You take it, and you take your cord and out you're listening to Mariah Carey while you're jerking yourself off. And then you fucking die. Because that is exactly what the devil wants you to fucking do. I want you to get your fucking new Samsung Galaxy 666 Plus, listen to Mariah Carey, motherfuckers, and hang your motherfucking selves with a fucking cord, bitches. Oh yeah. That's what the devil wants you to do, kids. That's a public service announcement right the fuck there. Alright, so this is your new corporate satanic phone that you can also use to rub yeast infection cream and shove it up your cooter, because that's what the devil wants you to fucking do. So enjoy your phone, your literature. They didn't even give us any fucking stickers like fucking Apple does. There's just a bunch of fucking anal plugs and little fucking keys to shove up your fucking cunt and your damn dick hole. I think this one's for your dick hole. And then there's your earphones for your Mariah Carey and your cord to commit suicide with.
What?
And your 666 fucking plus, bitches. Like and subscribe to Sizzle-tastic fucking TV. If not, I'm gonna fucking take you to fucking hell and make you listen to more Mariah Carey. Yeah, until next time, Sizzle-tastic TV with the devil kids.